name is Jessica, and I'm an International Admissions and Recruitment Officer at Carleton University. Carleton is located in Ottawa, which is the capital city of Canada and also a G7 capital city. Carleton University is situated on a beautiful riverside campus, which is just minutes from downtown. We offer over 200 programs, many with a special focus on hands-on learning. This is most commonly delivered through our world-renowned co-op program. Carleton offers a guaranteed spot in residence for students who are coming directly from high school. And if you're eligible, we also have automatic entrance scholarships. Now, I know that applying to a university across the globe can be overwhelming. And that's why we've partnered with Canam over a number of years to support students in their venture for Canadian education, because they are true experts. The reps are available to help counsel you, answer your questions, and introduce you to programs and universities that maybe you've never even heard of. So we're grateful that they are promoting Carleton and our programs across India. We're also really excited to be participating in the Canam Fair this September. We will be there from September 19th to 24th. So please speak to your Canam counselor and book a spot to meet with me, Carleton University, at table number 3. Hopefully there's a time and day that works for you. And if not, please let your Canam counselor know, and perhaps we can organize something on a different day. So thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you in India. Bye.